morning, Monday morning, about 7 o'clock. We're headed out to St. Albans to start a driveway tear out, prepare it for new pavement. I just got up behind Josh, towing the trailer. It's always neat as a business owner to see your stuff out in the wild. The other day I saw both dump trucks going through a town loaded with material. Definitely makes you feel proud to sit and see your stuff doing its thing. We're here in St. Albans, just got set up. Both dump trucks here. He's waiting for me to move so he can string line. But we're tearing this driveway out. Got the 289 here. Got to make a saw cut between the two driveways. And then we're tearing this whole thing out. Driveway's not that old, but it sank in a bunch of areas, so we're gonna unearth it and see what's going on underground. But this spot right here is pretty rough, and it shouldn't be. So anyway, they're gonna get tearing at it, and I'm gonna go see Chad. I don't know what's going on right here.
This dark spot?
Yeah.
David said there's something possible frost.
No. What?
Frost, where the frost comes out.
Yeah, but that would have been 6 months ago. This is moisture. Could be a spring under there. We're gonna have to dig down, see what's happening. This guy loves his lawn. We're gonna box cut where I drew lines, see what's happening. Customer states that the last time the driveway was paved was 16 years ago, and within a couple of years this area went really sideways, and it basically sank and cracked, and now there's water coming out of it quite often. So we're gonna box cut this, see what's going on, see if we can rectify it. Hopefully with just some fabric and some good base material down about a foot deep. But we will check it out and see what's going on. Finding pretty much what we thought we were gonna find. Wet clay, water trapped under it. No fabric. We'll fix it. game day here in St. Albans. Getting ready to pave this baby. Had to bring in some more gravel this morning. And we're getting ready to pave. I had to put some coolant in the paver. I don't know why it's using coolant, but it is. I had the dealer come down, who was about an hour and a half or 2 hours away, to fix what I thought was a sensor issue a couple of weeks ago, and it turned out it was something we did wrong, and it turned into a $1,300 service call that I was less than happy about. So I don't really want to call them unless we need them, but unfortunately there is a coolant leak and we're gonna have to figure out what's going on. So I just put it in that. Right now the screed is heating up, and they're just putting a good roll on this base material, and then we can get to starting laying asphalt. I think this place calls for 46 tons, so got 2 trucks on it, and the plant's only about 15 minutes away, so should be a pretty good day. Waiting for 3 more ton from the plant. Thanks.